show you how to change your PIN on your Cash App. First, you want to open up your Cash App and go to the top left where your picture at. And you want to scroll down until you see privacy. And you click that and go to the bottom. And it'll say change cash PIN. So you click that. And what you want to do is enter your old cash PIN number. And then it says enter the new cash PIN. And once you enter the new cash PIN, they're going to want you to confirm that again. So you got to enter it again. And that's it. And you're going to receive a text message letting you know that your PIN has changed. Just go to the top here and exit and go right here and go back to your front page. And that's really it. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.